I don't have any friends, but that's okay because in 2025, January only, I have the Third Wave Barbecue Spice Bag. All my problems have been solved because this thing is so spicy, I can no longer remember who I am or what my problems are. This is the Third Wave Barbecue Spice Bag. It has slow smoked brisket, onions, capsicum, habanero sauce, which is our housemate thing. Burn your face off. If you love spice, you're gonna love this. You can smell this through the camera. And that smell that you're feeling right now, that's exactly how it tastes.